Hello there. Now you may or may not be aware of this, but I thought I'd flag it up to you in any way. It concerns auto-routing. Now this is a fictitious board, one of my first attempts at doing a printed circuit board. Most of it's upside down components, well some of it is. But I've managed to download the Autorouter, and here we are. Look, it's available. And I'm just going to demonstrate this by removing the top layer. Got the bottom layer only here. No routes skipped, etc. And going to run the local Autorouter run. Now it's done 91%, 100%, attempted 49, completed 49, 100%, failed 0, okay. Only look, I'll zoom in on this. I'll zoom in a bit further even. Look, it hasn't routed that. It hasn't flagged it failed to route that. It's important capacitor as well. A filter capacitor across the ground and VCC. It failed to route it, but it didn't flag that it had failed. So there's something astray there. I hope you will eventually attend to this and fix it. Thank you. Bye.